Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. This is tutorial how to build a JavaScript trivia bot. User story number 1, console log hello, I am coding fun fact guide. User story 2, we need to create 3 variables: bot name, bot location, and favorite language. You can give them any values you want. In my case it will be bot, US, and JS. User story number 3, you need to console log my name is bot name and I live in bot location. Here you need to make string dynamic. To do this, use a backticks with a $sign and curly brackets. User story number 4, my favorite programming language is favorite language. We pass test number 9. Using let keyword, we need to define new variable coding fact. You need to type any string you want, but include favorite language variable. And then console log coding fact. We pass tests from 10 to 12. User stories from 7 to 10 tell us that we need to reassign coding fact variable 2 more times and console log it again. The last step is console log. It was fun sharing these facts with you. Goodbye. Bot name from bot location. The lab is complete. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.